Hi guys, it's Amar Agarwal from Deacon Institutes. How are you? Mm, I think all 12th class students you are free now. Mainly science students who has PCM or PCB. I think the exam have been over. Now, what are you doing? I think you are all anxious about your next step, that is your competition. For PCM, they have JEE mains and advanced, and for bio students, they have their PMT exams. So, I want to say something to you this time, as I know that till 1 year you did very much hard work for your board exams. Means you since for last 1 month you studied about 10 to 12 hours per day to get good marks. So now you this time you are very much exhausted. Okay, and now you are feeling tired. You don't want to do hard work. This type of feeling is coming in your mind. You want to go somewhere to enjoy or to uh, put down the pressure on yourself. So all these things come in mind. It is natural because you did so much hard work, hard labor to get good marks. But listen, this is not your last step. The last step yet to come, because you have to achieve good rank in JEE main also, good rank in JEE advanced also, and PMT also. That is your last step to get success after 12th. So for that, your journey has not stopped. It is started now, because you know all the concepts of 12th class. You know all the formulas, how those formulas is applied. You all know. If you will not revise those on daily basis, then you will forget all these things, and then you will not get good marks in your entrance exam. So my I want to say that don't take these exams lightly. Means for next 1 month, what type of labor you were doing for last 1 month, continue it for next 1 month also, and you will definitely see the result, because you know all the things. You know about the formulas, about derivations, how you will apply all the concepts, because you have revised just. So if you will leave it and you think that after 1 week I will revise it, after 1 week I will start practicing. So in this 1 week gap you will enjoy so much that you will forget all the things, or only 70% or 60% will remain in your mind, which will affect your result. Don't do that. I am saying this because I also did this mistake and I get less rank in my entrance exam. Okay, so only for 1 month you will do more and more practice. Means you think that now our main phase of main phase of my life has started. In this 1 month, if I will do so much hard work, then I will get good rank, I will get good college, and that is the best phase of your life, which will start when you will get good marks in your entrance exam, and you will get IITs or AIMS or good medical college. So this it is not too much tough, because in these entrance exams tough questions will not be asked. Only your 12 based questions, board questions will be asked, but in a tricky way. So you know all the concepts, you have read so many books. Now this is the time in which you will do more and more questions. You will do more and more practice of those questions which have come in this exam. Okay, so don't waste time. Means in the means you will manage your time. You will make time management, that about 10 to 15 about 8 to 10 hours you will give for practicing. And while practicing which questions you are doing, so analyze that question also, that where is the mistake you are doing, so that next time when that question again comes, you will not do that mistake. Because in mostly exam except IIT, questions is repeated after 2 years, after 3 years, question is repeated, or a particular question is asked in a different way, but the concept is same, concept remains same. So see that where you are doing that mistake, note that mistake, and then move forward. Don't be tired that मैंने अभी इतना पढ़ा, since last 1 month I am doing so much hard work, now I'm unable to do this. I want to go to my maternal uncle's home, I want to go to my big brother's home. So that thing you can also do after 1 month. There is no issue, they will not go anywhere. But this time doesn't come again, ये समय नहीं आएगा दोबारा. दिस टाइम इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू यू. सो फोकस ऑन योर मेन टारगेट, that after 12th what you will do, where you want to go. That is the main target for you, main focused area, that where you want to go. If you want to go to a good place, so this is the best time to study. Collect your all energy and put it at a single place, that I have to study with full focused mind. Because now you don't have any pressure, or you don't have to study any extra subject, only physics, chemistry and math, or physics, chemistry and bio. These three subjects you have to study now. No English, no fine arts, no physical. All these subjects you don't need to study. So, and in these three subjects also, physics, chemistry, math, now you only have to do practice. You have to do only more and more questions, okay, so that your speed will increase or your concept will be more clear. So it's my humble request to you that don't waste this precious time, it is very important to you, and move forward to your goal, so that you will get good college, good marks in your entrance exam. Thank you, have a nice day.